Bluehost Review, Usage to my Bluehost Review. In this video, I'll share my experience with Bluehost, discussing its features, performance, and target audience. If you're interested in exploring this hosting service, links to Bluehost are provided in the description below. Bluehost is one of the most popular web hosting providers, especially recommended for beginners and small to medium-sized businesses. It is officially endorsed by WordPress, which speaks volumes about its reliability and ease of use for WordPress websites. With Bluehost, you get a range of hosting options, including shared hosting, VPS, dedicated servers, and managed WordPress hosting, catering to various needs and budgets. One of its key features is its user-friendly interface, with a simple dashboard and cPanel integration, making website management seamless. Setting up a website is straightforward with the one-click WordPress installation. Bluehost also offers a free domain name for the first year, which is a great value addition for new users. The hosting plans include unmetered bandwidth, free SSL certificates for security, and 24/7 customer support through live chat, phone, and a knowledge base. Performance-wise, Bluehost delivers strong uptime reliability, averaging 99.99%, and decent loading speeds to ensure your website remains accessible and fast for visitors. It uses SSD storage, which further boosts performance. Additionally, Bluehost has a website builder for those who want to create sites without prior coding knowledge, making it a great choice for beginners. Bluehost is ideal for bloggers, entrepreneurs, and small businesses looking for affordable and dependable hosting. It's also a good fit for WordPress users due to its optimization and seamless integration with the platform. However, it may not be the best option for high-traffic websites or advanced developers needing extensive server customization. Overall, Bluehost offers great value for money, with features and performance that cater well to its target audience. Whether you're launching your first website or scaling a small business, Bluehost provides the tools you need to get started and grow online. If you're interested in Bluehost, check the links in the description for more details and special offers.